As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Theta cost will hit $3.5 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $4 by the center of 2025. Theta will ascend to $5 inside the extended time of 2027, $6 in 2030, $7 in 2033, and $8 in 2035. Theta value forecast 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.18. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.29, so the cost expanded by 1% from the start of the year. The determined Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3.57 and the year-to-year change plus 179%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 176%. In 2024, we hope to see $2.46 per 1 Theta. In the primary portion of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $4.18. In the final part, the cost would add $16 and close the year at $4.34, which is plus 236% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months. Monday, Feb 26, $1.30. Tuesday, Feb 27, $1.31. Wednesday, Feb 28, $1.32. Thursday, Feb 29, $1.33. Friday, blemish $1.34. Saturday, blemish $2.135. Sunday, blemish $3.136. Monday, blemish $4.137. Walk $15.47. April $15.76. May $15.203. June $15.232. July $15.255. August $15.274. Theta forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $4.34 to $6.47, which is up 49%. Theta will begin 2026 at $4.34, then at that point, take off to $4.62 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $4.06. That implies plus 214% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $6.47 to $8.17, which is plus 26%. Theta will begin 2031 at $6.47, then, at that point, take off to $6.86 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $6.61. It is about plus 411% from today. Theta value expectation 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.8 and 14. Today, Theta exchanged at $0.196 to 92, so the cost diminished by 24% from the very outset of the year. The estimated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $13 and the year-to-year change plus 66%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.47 per 1 Theta. In the main portion of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $2.49. In the last part, the cost would add $1.10 and close the year at $2.59, which is plus 167% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $2.59 to $3.87, which is up 49%. Theta will begin 2026 at $2.59, then at that point, take off to $0.76 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.42. That implies plus 150% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $3.87 to $4.89, which is plus 26%. Theta will begin 2031 at $3.87, then take off to $4.10 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3.95. It is about plus 308% from today. 0.11524. Theta value forecast 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.04, so the cost diminished by 19% from the very start of the year. The estimated Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $2.03 and the year-to-year change plus 58%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 95%. In 2024, we hope to see $1.36 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $12. In the final part, the cost would lose $13 and close the year at $0.99, which is plus 92% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $0.99 to $2.89, which is up 45%. Theta will begin 2026 at $1.99, then at that point, take off to $2.09 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $2.12. That implies plus 104% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $2.89 to $3.45, which is plus 19%. Theta will begin 2031 at $2.89, then, at that point, dip to $3.01 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $2.83. It is about plus 172% from today. Swans are 1, 2, and 4. Theta value forecast 2024-2025. Theta cost began in 2024 at $1.28. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.25, so the cost diminished by 3% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Theta cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3.04, and the year-to-year change plus 137%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 144%. In 2024, we hope to see $2.04 per 1 Theta. In the principal half of 2025, the Theta cost will move to $3.17. In the last part, the cost would lose $0.19 and close the year at $2.98, which is plus 139% to the ongoing cost. Theta expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $2.98 to $4.29, which is up 44%. Theta will begin 2026 at $2.98, then, at that point, take off to $3.13 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $3.17. That implies plus 154% from today. Theta expectation 2031-2035. 12,150,2023. Theta cost began in 2023 at $72. Today, Theta exchanged at $1.09, so the cost expanded by 52% from the very outset of the year. The determined Theta cost toward the finish of 2023 is $1.26, and the year-to-year change plus 75%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 15%. In the main portion of 2024, the Theta cost will move to $1.48. In the last part, the cost would add $0.06 and close the year at $1.54, which is plus 41% to the ongoing cost. Theta forecast 2025-2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Theta cost would move from $1.54 to $0.40, which is up 56%. Theta will begin 2025 at $1.54, then, at that point, take off to $1.64 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $1.44. That implies plus 32% from today. Theta expectation 2030-2034. In this period, the Theta cost would ascend from $2.40 to $3.07, which is plus 28%.